We have provisioned the lab environment. Task one was completed, right? We created a virtual machine. The virtual machine is created. How we can check? So this is known as marketplace. Here I go to resource. I can type resource group or whatever. So I can see here. So I click on this. So you can see this resource group was created, and in that some resources were created. Like this. The virtual machine was also created. So this virtual machine we had stopped. Let's see whether it is still stopped. It is still stopped, so that we are not charged. Okay. So so task one is done for sure, right?
Yes.
So we go to the second task. Second task is what? Creating a and configuring Azure storage, right?
Yes.
So we go here. So task two. In the Azure portal, search for storage accounts and click create. So we create the storage account first. So let's create a storage account here. So can you all see the screen?
We created manually, right? No user command.
Yes. So we go there and we create a storage account. That type here storage account. Yes, storage account. I click here, create a storage account.
Yes.
So you should know how to create a storage account, right?
Yes.
So we are here. Now,
It will be part of the same resource group.
so we follow those things. A resource group, we want to create a new resource group. We follow the exercise. Okay. So it is asking me to create the new resource group. Okay. So I'll check this. I'll choose this. I'll copy this name. I'll copy and I'll paste it there.
It's not the same.
Create new.
It's not the same name, sir. Yes.
No, it's different name. The first one, resource group was made for virtual machine for testing purpose. Now we give some storage account name. The storage account name should be unique because it will be accessed from outside also, right? So it should be globally unique. So unique name between 3 to 24 characters in length, consisting of letters and digits. Okay. There we go. Here I'm going to put so SFT storage location. Let's put our location, which is India. Central India is there. Central India. Yeah, like this. Then primary service. Who is asking what you want as a primary service. Depending on the option you choose, it may lead to service specific guidance through the create expense. The option will not limit you to exclusively using the chosen service. It's okay. No need to create. It's saying what is your primary service.
Yes.
So it's fine. It's optional.
So what does it like purpose of choosing or not choosing primary?
If you choose primary service, then it will give you more questions related to that. It will help you to better configure that service.
In what context you are using that?
Yeah, like this. If you're using tables or Azure files, so it will give you more options for Azure files. If it's Azure blob storage, we are going to create. So I'll choose this as my primary server, right? Then standard or premium, right? Standard premium means it will be fast.
What tier it says?
No, no. It will use the faster hard disk. SSD.
SSD.
Standard is fine. Redundancy is GRS. GRS means what?
Global.
Globally redundant storage means what?
It's available in
Copy
different
will be
zones.
available.
Different zones.
Yes.
It will create copies in different zones, right? Makes read data available in event of region unavailability.
Each
So what is the
information-
meaning of this? Make read access to the data available in the event of regional unavailability. Means what?
Make read access to data available in the event of regional and availability.
Hmm. What is the meaning of that?
It will read, it will give access to the data for reading where the regional
Read
is
only,
not.
read only access will still be available.
Only it will provide read access
Means
to the user.
means in the region that the data is not available, it can give you access for reading only.
Yeah.
Correct. Correct. See, it's creating a copy, no?
Mm.
Fault tolerance. GRS means globally redundant storage. That means one storage is there in one, say one region and its replica is in another region.
Mm.
So by default, what will happen is that replica is only as a hot standby. In case
Something wrong.
something happens to the first, it will fall back to the second. So it is only a fault tolerance mechanism by default.
Mm.
Okay. But if you say make read access to data available in the event of regional unavailability, means at least that data you can read. It will not be just standing like a hot standby. Okay. At least you can read the data. If you want to read, you can read from there also. It's like that.
Mm.
Then next, so you can actually see what options it is giving. You can also see what options they're asking. They're asking you to choose standard and GRS in the exercise. So we are choosing the same thing, right?
Yeah. But standard, yes, standard.
Yes. So next, let's see what are the things available there. So this is advanced. This is enable storage account key access. Then so whatever is the default thing, we are keeping it same.
Within the file that are sended in. So what does this mean? What does the mean first?
I cannot read. That
First what?
What does it
I
mean?
can't
by
read.
this? Oh. API REST API.
That's why I just-
Means what, sir?
Requires secure transfer for REST API operations.
What does it mean?
REST API means what? What is API?
It's a URL something.
See, API that you have told us that Microsoft service.
It helps with
Microsoft
interface.
service that
What is API?
Endpoint.
Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Mudassir, are you there? What is API? Mudassir?
No idea, Manoj, what API. But
Ritik?
it stands for Application Programming Interface. That's what I know.
Yeah. But what it does? Ritik? Ritik, API means what?
API.
No, sir, I don't know.
Ritik.
Yes, sir, I said, I didn't remember, sir.
Yes, who remembers? Sanjay? Sanjay will remember?
Manoj, I have a basic idea because I think it helps between the availability of API. I think it helps between helps you for crossing over of data or information from one application to the other.
API
Because
is API are libraries, ready-made libraries. Application programming interface means API is ready-made libraries. And REST API, this library is how you access. Now, REST is a protocol by which you can access this libraries using URLs, normal URLs, so that it is platform independent. Like cloud will give you some APIs, REST API. So those REST API means those URLs can be used in .NET, Java, Python, anywhere like that. Okay. So that is the benefit of REST API. So secure transfer means HTTPS transfer.
Through this, whatever the data will be transferred, it will be secure.
Secure. More important, there is REST API to understand what is REST, what is API and what is REST API. So API is ready-made libraries. I told you other day that nowadays programming language is not very mandatory, which one you're using, right? This cloud technology is giving you APIs for all programming language of your choice. You can use Python, you can use Java, you can use .NET, doesn't matter. It gives you the libraries in form of APIs. And this API is also REST API. REST API is a common language. It's like a URL. You are accessing the libraries or you're using them just like you access a website, right? So there's some specific URL.
Mm.
So that's called REST API. So REST APIs, they are becoming very popular nowadays. So it's easy to access them. Okay. Just like you are accessing a URL, you will access the API. The applications can connect with the API so easily just by URL.
Yes, sir.
So it becomes platform independent. So it's a Java or Java, Java doesn't matter. Whichever program language you're using, this guy will access it, will do the job.
That's API REST.
REST API.
Yes.
REST is the
REST,
protocol.
REST API.
To access that API using the web URL. And that will be secure. Secure means HTTPS protocol.
Okay.
And then enable storage account key access. Now, storage you're creating, you want to access it from the public, right? You want to access it from the public domain, right? So we want to make some security. So we can give some account access key. Account key access we'll be giving, right? So this key access can be used by applications or it can be used by people who access the storage. Suppose you are writing some application and you want to give that application permission to access the storage. So you give the key for a limited period.
The authentication.
For authentication. Correct? So over here, now what we have is networking enable public access from all networks. Means you're allowing it to access from everywhere. So using all the default options. Default options work normally. It's working. Okay. So here they are saying in the exercises, read what it's saying. It's important to read what they are saying. In advance, create storage, then networking, then create, then review the options, accept default options, public endpoint, all networks. Okay. So it says accept all the options. Enable public access from all the networks. And so there are many options. You can just see it if you want to. So don't really bother so much. Microsoft network routing or internet routing. So Microsoft network routing it is going to do. Next, data protection. Enable soft delete for blobs. By default, if you delete something, it will delete, but you can recover it back. It will retain it for 7 days.
Okay.
So soft delete. Okay. If you want to delete someone from your life, don't delete immediately. Soft delete. Delete it, but delete it slowly. Something like that. So enable soft delete for containers. Again, same thing, right? So blobs for containers. Container contain lot of blobs. If you delete the container,
It's gone.
all the blobs are there gone, right?
Sure.
Enable soft delete for file shares.
So you are saying that this whatever the information will be there, that will be in the container.
Blobs.
Ah.
We'll see this in this exercise. We are going to create a blob. Before that, you have to create a container. Inside container, you create a blob. You store blobs. So container contains
This
the
is storage
blob.
account only.
Okay.
Yes. Yes, sir.
Okay. So access control. The next is encryption. Encryption means what? To protect the data. So this is one of the very big worry for the people that they're storing data on the cloud. And what will happen? The cloud providers can access the data, right? At least.
Yes. They will steal.
Or the people may steal the data. So we encrypt it. So encryption, there are two choices. Microsoft manage keys. Microsoft will manage the keys. You don't have to bother. It will do the protection for you. But if you don't trust Microsoft also, then you can provide your customer managed keys. I remember one of my friend, he is good in photography. He has a lot of photographs, very beautiful and very expensive pictures he has taken. So he's scared putting on the cloud. So I told him you can use your own keys, but still he's scared. No, I can't share.
Then he's keeping in a hard disk.
He's keeping in the hard disk.
So it's a big risk. Maybe he will lose it all.
Yes. So this is what to do. People have different
Mm.
understanding.
Mm.
Some people will not listen only, tell anything. They will not listen only. They will have their own cloud, the mental cloud. So they will not come out of it.
Mm.
Different world.
Yes. Okay. Enable support for customer managed keys, blobs, and files only. Okay. So whatever is the default option, enjoy those default options. Don't worry, right? Don't bother too much. Don't take too much tension of if you don't know all the options. If you want to know the options, just click here. Just go here to I. It will tell you everything about it, right?
So when we are not using customer manage key option here, why it is then showing here? It's why it is showing like customer manage enable support for mesh. When we are not using it, we are using this one.
That is the thing now. You have to tell Microsoft why you're doing this.
Mm.
Please.
You have a point. You're correct. You have a point, right? Yes. Definitely you have a point, but this is the thing, right? And next, then we have tags. What is the job of tags? Yes,
If you
For billing.
Ritik,
Billing, easy for billing.
billing. Tagging is like you put some key value pair just to keep track of the expenses,
Mm.
the billing expenses. Okay. Then next. So finally, it will show you all the options. Then you decide whether you actually, if everything
Happy
is,
with them or what?
yes.
want to change something.
Or you want to change something?
So it's
Something.
coming up.
Something.
Something, something. Something. Something or something. What is it?
Huh?
Something.
It is something. Something. Something.
Something I told you.
Something.
Okay, so here you can see validation failed. Oh, what failed? Why it failed? Let's see. What is the error? The storage account is already taken.
Okay, it's already
So
taken.
somebody has already taken the storage name, so we have to come
Let's
here.
go back.
No worries, no worries. Check storage, SFT storage 2. Review and create. We're going to come here. There's so many students are creating the storage, so SFT storage. What's version form? It doesn't drink tea coffee. You drink tea coffee.
I think.
Okay.
No tea.
Only green
Only
coffee.
Coffee.
You don't go for water, right?
What?
You don't go for. You don't go further.
Okay, so everything is, see, here, please pay attention.
He actually did masala doodh.
Don't disturb me. You're disturbing me.
Sorry. Want to know that.
Okay. Please pay attention. Okay, now, so whatever options we have chosen is showing here. So if we are happy with this, just say create. So it will create the storage account now. Create, my dear, create. What are you doing? Create.
Thinking.
Creating. So it's showing deployment is in progress. Deployment is going on. It is in progress. Deployment is in progress. So it's going on.
Take some while.
Yeah, it will take some time to complete it.
It's
So deployment succeeded, right? Go to the resource. So if I go to the resource, here I am. So the storage account is created. Okay. So the thing in Microsoft Cloud is like everything related to that is given here. Whatever you want to do, it's a foolish question to ask. Just go to that resource and every damn thing is given here. Whatever you want to do, it's available here, right? Now, next we are going to, so let's see what our task now. What is there in the task? Is this clear to everyone? Hello? Mudassir?
Yes, Manoj.
Sir, yes, I have a question.
Hmm.
Why do we need to make a unique name for a storage account? It is like if I want to access a storage account, I will be I need to log in to the subscription, then after that I can access the storage account, right?
No. If you want to access storage, you can access from the internet also. Internet.
Hmm.
So when you
Um,
access from the internet, it should have a unique name.
Unique name, yes.
That's
it
the
might
reason
also
it's asked.
it might
Yes, tell
also
me.
create some confusion for the Azure to find the right storage.
Yeah, don't. It's okay. It's keep it simple. Just we want to access it from the internet. So it should have a unique name, right? Every storage. So many people are creating storage.
Yeah, if something that need to be accessed from the internet, definitely we need to have a unique name.
Unique name.
I thought like just to go to subscription, after that you can access that. Mm.
We'll see in this particular lab, we'll be accessing the storage from outside, so you'll understand it.
Microsoft does not allow it to duplicate name.
Yes, Microsoft. It will, I mean, if you're accessing something from internet, it should have a unique name, no?
Yes, sir.
That's the thing.
So what is the question of Microsoft allowing, not allowing? It should be unique, no?
Yeah, it should be.
Otherwise, how will you get?
Yes, sir.
The name should be unique in the world. Otherwise, how will you know Niaz is Niaz, which Niaz we're talking? There's so many Niaz. Your first name, middle name, last name. Three, combination of three is unique, right? Do you find anybody in the world with all the three names common?
Maybe.
Maybe in Arabic countries it's possible.
Yes.
That's why in Arabic countries they put, the forefather's name also, like grandfather, great-grandfather, because of
Yeah.
this reason.
Now my full name is too,
Very
it's
very
too long.
to make
Ibrahim,
it three.
Yatim, Musa, Muhammad,
Yeah.
four names.
So why you're putting four names? To make it unique.
Yeah.
Because every second person is Muhammad. So how many Muhammads? Every second person is Abdullah. So what will you do? Right? So that's why you need to make it unique. So you put some more names, your name, your father's name, grandfather's name, grandfather's name, and then surname like this. So it becomes unique. Clear? The same way here. So there's so many people making storage. The name has to be unique if you want to access from the internet. Right? Hmm. They're going to make Aadhaar card for the whole world now.
India. Crores of
Okay,
people.
so that's why. Okay, I hope you got it right.
Yeah.
Okay. Now next, let's see what is next thing in our exercise. The next thing in our exercise is what? Let's see. What are we getting here? So he's asking us to explore the options. For example, it says that you go to the deployment rate, go to resource, then on the store account rate, data management section, go to geo replication, note the secondary location because we have chosen GRS.
Hmm.
GRS means what?
Different.
It is going to store in
Global.
different
Different
Different,
location.
different
zone.
location.
Yes.
Hmm.
So when you say GRS, it is storing in different location, right?
Yes, sir.
Hmm.
Here we have chosen GRS.
Hmm.
So GRS where we can see
Yes.
that it is.
Wait. This guy cannot wait for the secret mystery. Just
Bombarding question.
thinking what will happen. Then by getting very bad things in my mind for him. Bad examples. I don't believe. Already. But I have already understood what I want to say. Okay, now, so we go over here and let's look for that where it is storing the secondary region. So we have to hunt it. Sometimes we don't have the same options.
Yes.
So what it's saying, if you see the that this particular thing,
Exercise.
exercise thing, it says data management section. So do we have a data management section
Yes.
here? Where is it?
Yes.
Where?
Yeah.
Okay, data management section. You have redundancy, right?
Yeah.
It's saying next data management section, go to
Data management.
Europe.
geo replication, it
Geo-
says.
geo-
But do we have geo replication here? We don't have. We have something called redundancy. Let's go there and see what happens. Here we are. See, it's showing Central India is our primary location, but secondary location is South India, right?
Yes,
So it's
sir.
storing in two different locations now.
Hmm.
Getting Central India and South India. Okay, Kef, are you here?
Yes.
What are you doing?
Nothing. What's that last time you said it will be stored in three zones, right? In three zones.
No, two zones, but three copies in every zone.
Okay. Sorry. Three
Okay.
copies. Hmm.
Now see here, read access, geo redundant storage, read access, because we have chosen the option,
Yes, sir.
read access. That's why it's saying RA GRS. GRS means globally redundant storage, and RA means read access. What we are getting is read access. Okay, guys. Hello.
Yeah.
Ritik,
Yes.
Mudassar, and
Yes.
Sanjay.
Yeah. Can we see other options for this drop-down list? Can you click on that, please?
Yeah, sure. If I go here, see LRS, GRS like this. So we also have something read access, geo redundant storage, zone redundant storage also is there.
And also you said that you can just change from redundancy to another.
Yeah, we can change. See,
You can
the
change.
exercise says if you go to this exercise is very beautiful. It actually asks you to change. It says now change the select configuration replicate or select LRS, it's saying, right? So it is actually asking you to explore the options, right? So if I go here and if I make it LRS, then what will happen?
It is a little local.
Yeah, so you'll find that it will show only Central India. So I'll save this now. Let's see what happens. Let it do something. So here you can see that it is showing this central India as a private location. Clear, everyone?
Yes, sir.
If I make it this GRS or this R axis, so I can make it GRS only now. And I save it. So again, it will take another location. Right? So like this, see here. Got it?
Yes, sir.
It makes sense. Prabhat sir, getting it?
Yes, Manoj.
I hope you all are loving it. Okay. One day we will
Yes.
put our camera on and we'll see each other like that. Live people also, right? So it will be fun, right? Looking at
New places.
new places. Yeah.
AI technology.
You will see
Yeah,
this
technology.
Ibrahim also, how he looks. This Ibrahim guy.
Wow.
Don't be
Sir,
jealous when you see
How
me.
can we?
And drinking coffee. Yeah? Yes, and this guy, Niaz, all are great personalities. And Kaif.
Yes, sir.
Hmm. Okay, next. Yes, tell me, Gav.
How can we know that our data is available to this? It is showing here. Yes, it's we know that we want to know the data is available here. How can we see? Like,
You have to trust the cloud, my dear.
yes, sir. But I want to see that.
You want to see what?
You have to trust. You have to trust what you do.
Yeah, but yes, he's got a
Yes,
point.
trust issue.
Yeah, it is the word trust.
We'll see. We'll keep it GRS and C. No problem. Or we'll keep it. Okay, let's keep it that RAGRS. Okay, RAGRS means read access, right?
Mm.
Let's keep it that way. We'll see. We'll try to answer his query
Yes,
as we go ahead.
yes,
All questions are invited. I'm happy you guys asking questions.
yes, sir.
But those who are online, please, you also ask questions. So we want active session, right?
I, I make alive by shooting
Yeah.
questions.
Yes,
That's
yes.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Your pleasure.
Mohammed Shami, see how he looks. Mohammed Shami. Mohammed Shami is marrying Sania Mirza. They say there's rumor. So I don't know.
No, no, no. Okay. Tell the camera, sir. Yes.
All right. Next.
Locally. First you do, then Mama Shami will do nothing. Mama Shami is far.
So we have done all this thing, right? Now we have to also explore the configuration tab, the tier, cool tier and hot tier.
Yes, sir.
So let's see whether we are able to do that as well. So we go over here and we go to configuration tab. Where is configuration? Do you see any configuration tab here?
Sir, we can go into the settings. We can write some.
So you will expect that some things will change because cloud keeps changing keep changing its interface.
Yes.
So we expect maybe under settings it is there and configuration.
Yes, sir.
And here you can see where is the tier thing.
Yeah. Yes.
Yes,
Log
see,
access. Hot, cold, cold.
hot, cool, cold. So one more tier it is given. Cool, cold, like this. So we can change very easily. We can switch between hot and cool anytime.
Hmm.
But I'll make it cold
So
now.
that means like if the data we have kept into that and it is too old, so we can switch to that.
Yes.
Oh,
So it will charge you
less.
less money. Money. So it's become cold tier, right?
Sir.
Right? Everyone clear? Sanjay?
It will be called.
Saving money.
Yes, Manoj.
Okay. So we make it cool, cold. Okay. Then manage the. So we have completed with this second task. Second task, what we have done, we have created a storage account. We have seen its properties. We make it LRS, GRS. Okay, hot tier, cold tier, like that.
Yes, sir. Configuration.
Now we come to task number 3. Manage block storage. And remember, guys, we have a test on Saturday. You all know, right? I hope.
Yes, sir.
I saw you forgot.
Yes, sir. So remember, sir.
Today is what, Thursday?
Today is
We are going to meet on Saturday, and Saturday we have test on which topics? Yes,
AD subscription.
Storage and AD.
Yes, sir.
storage and AD. So please prepare and come. Okay.
Yes.
Those who don't come for the class that day, they'll be fined. Okay. They have to pay fine.
And no,
Only $500.
okay, there will be no question.
Dollar.
There will be no question on networking.
No, only these two topics. First,
No.
let's
Yeah, good in networking.
Yeah, I want networking.
Next time you will
show yeah. Little. Okay, little by little.
At least you can find some
Yes, sir.
question
So
that.
please prepare and come.
Yes, sir.
Okay, block storage. Now, task number 3. Please pay attention. So in this task, you will create a blob container and upload a blob into it. Okay. So go to data storage section, click container, create a container, and we give the name to the container. And we say public, private, no anonymous. That means nobody got access. By default, we will not give any access to this, right? So let's make a container. Blobs are loaded in a container. So we go here. We go to what? Data storage, right? Where is the data storage section? Here. It's here. Here.
Container.
Go to containers. In the containers, we go to create container like this. So here it gives you the
Name.
asking you the name of the container. So I'll put this name only. Directly I'll put. Ah, I'm just a little lazy, so I'm just copying and pasting.
01 content.
Vietnam idea. What's the problem? I don't understand.
One content.
I really don't understand this.
Please, please.
Oh my God. Okay, public access level. So here it's private, right? No anonymous access. So private means from outside it cannot be accessed. It means that, right?
Correct.
So there's a default thing, right?
From outside means
From outside means internet.
then if I want to access it, what should I do? I should
Wait, we'll see. You're sitting with Niaz, you got the habit of ask the next story, right?
Correct.
You guys will never enjoy a movie. You will do fast forward to see what happened next. It's not good.
तो मूवी बराबर देखते हैं इसलिए चला क्लाउड है ना यहाँ पे फास्ट चलता है इसलिए क्वेश्चन रेडी रखना पड़ता है
Movie, I am sure. And though I have very bad thoughts. Okay. Okay. Yes, you understand, right? Okay, so this is a container created, right?
Correct.
Now inside this container, we'll upload the blob. Now we'll upload the blob. That license file which I have shared with you, it's a blob. It's not, it's just the namesake is called license, but it's nothing but a blob. Okay, so I'll upload that blob now. So okay. Upload. I have downloaded that somewhere in the, just let me check. Download folder is there. Where's the download folder? It's here. It's here. No.
Yes, sir. Down.
Where? No. This guy is great. Not here. Not here.
Open the file here.
Not here, my dear. It's here. It's in this, I think. In this download folder, it's there. What are you saying?
But it comes automatically, sir, by default in our
in the download folder.
Here it is, my dear.
yeah, we can.
Okay. I'll just copy this path. Okay, so that I know that it's I have to upload from here. Okay. Okay. Now I click on upload, right? For uploading, do we have to make first something? Let's see what they're saying, what they're asking us to do, right? So we are here. open, upload blob, list of containers, this thing, okay. All right. Okay, let's upload it. Directly we'll upload. Direct will do. Direct. No problem. Upload. Okay. So browse for files. So I'll go here. Downloads. Oh my goodness.
License.
License. So this is a blob which we are going to upload. Okay, and say upload. Upload it directly. So here it comes. Okay, so it got uploaded now. Right?
Yes.
If I click on this, it will show me the properties here. Properties of the blob here. All right. You think?
What does
Yes.
the property means or the details? Okay.
So it has all the settings like block type, block size, access tier, upload to folder, licenses. Just upload. Specify the following settings, leaving all. We did not specify anything, right? Settings. That's a problem. It's a problem, my dear. We did so anything to there. Okay. Let me see if we can make some settings here. Delete. Okay, let's delete it and make it again. No problem.
Yes.
Delete.
Snapshot.
It's gone, right?
Delete the snapshot बनता है सर. Snapshot भी लिंक solution.
No, my dear, no. Wait a minute. You're too much. Just checking how to make the folder. What the folder? Folder. They're not said now to make a folder. Have they said to make a folder here?
This
The
specification.
containers upload and while uploading it will give us the option, right? And advanced section you have to go. Well, we did not go to advanced section. Directly we upload it. That's why. So I go here and I will browse for files. Wait, my dear, wait. No.
Okay, sir.
Why you are so much hurry?
So excited.
और शायद ये क्या है?
अरे कौन सा सेंस मिलेगा?
Okay, advanced, right? This guy is great. I'm going to take him in one movie for sure. Your ticket is booked. You are.
छोटा जॉनी लीवर.
I will take you in my movie and I'll ask you to act like that.
जनरली बड़ा.
छोटा जॉनी लीवर.
All right. So here we are. We have blob, 4 MB size, hot tier, right? Upload to a folder. I will make one folder here. What folder they have asked? Just see folder name licenses. So it will create a folder.
Here itself it will come to create.
Yeah, in this it
Okay.
will create a folder, and in that it will create a blob.
Right.
Okay. So we will put it there. Ah. Okay, this is click upload, right? Back up. So let's upload it. Okay. So other options like key value pair, if you want to put some tags, you can put it. Otherwise, say upload. So there it comes, right?
Correct, sir.
So if you go under licenses, here is the blob. Correct. So what we did, we first made the container. And while uploading, we created a folder. And in that in advanced section, we specified the properties, right? And it.
This is the way we can create folder 102. It will gonna upload it.
Clear? Everyone clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sanjay, clear? Sanjay, I think
Yes,
your
sir.
login time.
Yes.
Sanjay is
I'm
getting.
stuck in the cab, stuck in the traffic actually.
You're in the
On my
cab.
way to the office. Yeah, that's why I was attending from phone today.
Okay, no worries, no worries, no worries.
Yeah, yeah. Manoj, I wanted to ask you why exactly have we uploaded the license which we did just now?
License is just the namesake license, but it's a blob, just unstructured data. Okay.
Structured data. So basically, just a document to show
Yeah, yeah,
that we're
some
uploading data to the storage.
correct, correct, correct.
Okay.
So don't go by the name license. That's the problem.
Yeah, because I saw that folder. Even I thought that we are
Hmm.
just uploading some data to the folder, but
Yeah,
I
when
thought
you
I'll
see,
still ask you.
correct. I know that when you see that license, many people they get afraid. They don't have license,
Right.
driving license, this license, that license. Okay. So I don't know. It's very in Kuwait. It's not allowed, no, to drive without license. Because they're very strict, right?
Yeah, it's very strict, of course.
Very, very sick.
In India, it's very easy to drive without license.
Just give some
Pakka.
money to traffic police and
ये
you
गाड़ी
can
भी
take.
चला सकते
Yes.
हैं
ओ मामा कितने बार वो हट जाते हैं
Wait. Don't change the topic now. First focus. Okay. So you have this. So you can lock it. If you lock it, then what will happen? Nobody can delete it. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So it's possible to lock the resources in Azure. So if I go here, see its properties. These are the properties for the blob. You can change the properties of blob from here. Hmm? If you want, you can change tier, access tier. I can make it, it's cold, right? I can make it hot like this. Then
not like
I
nice.
can, wait. Too much, guys.
नीचे था सर
I make your life easy by cracking some jokes. Otherwise, people will do lungi dance there and here also. Where is the locking thing? Is there anything for lock?
Oh, now I can see the URL.
Yeah, this is the URL.
See URL to access from internet.
Correct. You're right, gentlemen. You're right. It's unlocked. Status unlocked, right?
yes
Can we lock it? I'm just.
yes sir
Where is the option for lock?
sir undelete means what does it mean no one can delete no?
Undelete means if you have deleted, you can undelete it.
Sir, we can go and edit.
Yeah, in edit, if you go, no, it's editing this snapshot versions. It's looking for lock option.
That last one, generate essays. What is that?
Paste here, refresh, download, queries. What is that?
pass
Yeah.
don't we have in the exercise section
Wait a minute.
Locked.
Locked.
Yeah.
How it got locked? Acquire list. Achha,
Yeah.
when you click on acquire list, it got locked.
Break list. Then just
Yeah.
Break
It's
list.
unlocked.
break list. Yes.
Unlocked. Like this.
Unlocked, yeah.
Okay.
So when you say acquire list, it is getting locked.
इसका मतलब भाड़े पे दें।
Yes. See, note you have options to download the blob, change the access tier, and then it's currently hot. Acquire list, which would change status to locked, right?
yes
And protect the blob from being modified, deleted, as well as assign custom metadata. So you can have the ability to edit to file directly without downloading it first. You can also choose create snapshots as well as generate SS token. So we have to, in the next task, we have to check how to create the storage access signature so that we can access it from outside. Now, this URL, if I use it now from outside, it will not get access.
Why
Because,
again? Why?
it's a private one
because we have not given him any permission. But we'll give a permission, then we will be able to. See here, for example, this last thing I'm showing you, I'm just taking this URL for the storage. I'll go to something called as incognito window, right?
yes
Yeah.
New private window. So it's like going to another computer. So I put this, so it will give me error. So it's not allowing me to access. But in the next class, we'll see that once we get access, we're able to.
It will generate inside.
So the Saturday exam, how you want? Because I want to take class also in exam also because we have the account active now, so we want to make most use of the account, right? The exam will be for 1 hour, and then our class will be also there. Both the things will keep.
So by 12 to 1 we can have a test.
Huh?
By 12 to 1 we can have a test. After 1 we can just continue practicing.
Yeah, because now the account is active, so better. Okay.
That's not
Make full use of it. We have to complete all the practicals with this account, right? That's the idea. Because none of you guys are having credit card, so it's a problem.
And ask the scenario of each sections in the question so we can.
Okay. Yeah, I will try to make it more. I'll try to make good exercises, good questions. Let's see. We can. I will make it more creative. That
Yes, sir.
particular test will be more interesting, very creative, learning,
Yes, sir.
things like that. Okay, guys. So please, everybody, prepare and come on Saturday. Read these two topics. Okay, Mudassir, Ritik,
Yes, sir.
Mudassir,
Yeah, Manoj. Yes, Manoj.
Yes, Manoj.
Sanjay. Okay, so everybody prepare and come for these two
Sorry.
topics, right? So we'll have fun. We'll have
You said AD
deep
and storage.
Yeah, AD and storage, these two topics.
AD and storage. Okay.
Think as if you're coming for interview. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Sure.
I'll come into form.
Okay.
Okay, thank you guys. Thank you for
Thanks, Manoj. Thank you. Bye bye.
Thank you, Manoj.
So can I use washroom?